Hi, I'm Kai. This is the fourth episode of my 712 more things to draw with Procreate. Let's get started. Salad and Achilles heel. Wow, this is like the most irrelevant pair so far. I totally have no idea how to connect feet with a bowl of salad. I start googling the Achilles heels and sketching some soldier poses from the ancient Greek mythology. They look pretty interesting to me because most of them are showing the soldier Achilles heel got hurt by an arrow, something like that. But I still have no idea how to put these painful poses with a bowl of salad. Huh? It just doesn't make any sense to me. I kind of give up thinking very creative idea and just try to randomly throw a man into a salad bowl. Surprisingly, it's bring me the ding. I suddenly think of what if the man is a fruit in the salad? What if the salad is not really a regular salad? It could be a cookie salad. I decided to draw a cookie characters bathing in a cookie salad bowl. Yes, I love this idea. Now let's move on to the Procreate. I start laying down some color blobs and filling in the base color using color drop. I always love using pastel color because they are so cute. I'm gonna use a warm and pastel color scheme in this drawing. Because she is taking a bath, so I want to give a warm and relaxing feeling. And yeah, that's all I want to talk about in color choice. I really don't have many complex theory behind. Just use the color I like and what make me feel comfortable and match with the drawing. Moving on, let's talk about the characters I drew. Her name is Latte Cookie. She is one of the characters in a mobile game called Cookies Run Kingdom. I'm not sponsored by this game, so I'm not gonna say much about it, but I really love this game. One reason I choose Latte is because she looks like an elegant lady who would enjoy her time in a bathtub. Another reason is because her overall character's design is mainly in a brownish color. Also, her witch's hat make her look even more like a chocolate cookie. That's a very good match to the image of a cookie salad. You know, it won't be a classic cookie salad without adding a whole chocolate cookie on top of the salad. Yummy! After filling up all the base color, I begin to work on the shadow. I open up another layer for drawing all the shadows, and oh my god, it's really a life-changing hat. Saved me lots of time and effort in managing the layer. Can you tell I'm getting better? I feel I am. Then I work on the detail of the drawing. I try to create a crunchy texture which feel like sparkle some crushed cookie on top, but it ends up not looking good. Later you will see me drawing that whole piece of cookie. They end up look very flat and lack of texture too. I'm not happy with that, but I have no idea how to make the cookies look more crunchy and realistic. Please comment down below if you think of any idea or tutorials that could help me with that. It will be very helpful to me and also to other artists who watching this video. Deeply appreciate that. Next, let's work on the stem. You wonder why there is a stem come out from a cookie salad? Well, I don't know. Just feeling you need to have steam come out while taking a bath. Maybe that's a cold steam from the freezer. I turned down the opacity of the steam to make it look transparent. Also, I add a layer of light paint on the steam, mainly at the middle part of it, to achieve different level of transparency. Now I'm working on the final touch of this drawing. I add a lot of sparkles and highlight. That's something I always do and I love to do for every single drawing. I try to incorporate some cafe restaurant element to the background. So I choose to add some lace pattern to make it look like a tabletop map. I really love it. I was debating whether I should add line art because I really like the Pokemon drawing I did last time. It's still my favorite drawing I've done in Procreate so far, and I haven't used any line art on that drawing. So I'm kind of training myself to finish the drawing without line art. And hopefully it could slowly turn into a feature of my art style. But I have lots of internal struggle. I keep feeling this drawing look better with line art. I also feel that I can draw more comfortably with the line art. Although I end up forcing myself to remove the line art of this drawing, I don't like it as much as the Pokemon ones. With or without line art, that's the question. I will leave this question to my future selves. Right now, I will just focus on trying different things that I like and have fun. I'm so sorry that I always being so slow in updating my channel. I always want to stay on schedule, but I'm just too busy working on art booth in this summer. I deeply appreciate all the support and patience from you guys. You guys are the most wonderful people in this planet. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channels. Let me know there are still people enjoy watching my video. If you want to see more picture of my artwork, you can follow my Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to love yourself, love your date, and I will see you guys someday. Bye!